Let me tell you something. Most CELPIP candidates never realize CELPIP listening is not random. It follows predictable patterns. The same question types appear again and again. Candidates who recognize these patterns score CLB 9 and CLB 10 consistently, and candidates who don't feel confused during the test, lose focus, and lose marks. Well, in this video, I'll show you the 50 common CELPIP listening questions pattern you must know for 2026. Once you recognize these patterns, your listening accuracy improves immediately. So let's begin. Well, first, you must understand how CELPIP listening actually works. CELPIP listening is not testing whether you hear every word. It is testing whether you recognize meaning patterns. High scorers do not listen passively. They listen strategically. They anticipate question types. They recognize pattern instantly. This makes answer easier and faster. Once you understand question patterns, CELPIP listening becomes predictable, not difficult. Now here is a breakthrough insight. CELPIP listening uses the same pattern categories repeatedly. Once you master these categories, your score improves quickly. So let's look at the first major pattern category. That is a main idea question. The first major pattern is main idea questions. These questions test your overall understanding. For example, what is the speaker mainly discussing? Why is the speaker talking? What is the purpose of the conversation? These questions focus on the overall message, not small details. High scorers focus on speaker's intention, not individual words. Well, question number 2 category is opinion questions. These questions shows test speaker attitudes. What does the speaker think? How does the speaker feel? You must recognize emotional tone, positive, negative, or neutral. Opinion questions is require interpretation, not just listening. Now, we move to one of the most dangerous CELPIP listening patterns, that is inference questions. These questions traps unprepared candidates. That is category 3, inference questions. Inference questions test implied meaning. The answer is not spoken directly. You must interpret meaning. For example, what can be inferred from the conversation? What will the speaker likely do next? Well, high scorers listen for logical clues, not explicit statements. So, category 4, specific detailed questions. Detailed questions test factual information. For example, what time is the meeting? Where will the event occur? These questions require attention to specific information. High scorers focus carefully on key details. At this point, you may realize something powerful. CELPIP listening is not about understanding everything. It's about recognizing patterns quickly. So let's look at the most difficult pattern of listening. That is the prediction questions. Prediction questions test future intentions. For example, what will the speaker do next? What is the likely outcome? So you must recognize speaker's intention. High scorers anticipate logical outcomes. This improves accuracy. Now let's talk about how to master all 50 patterns. Well, to master CELPIP listening, you must train pattern recognition. Practice regularly. Focus on recognizing question types, not just listening passively. Patterns recognition makes listening easier, faster, and more accurate. So let's summarize the key insights. That is very important. CELPIP listening follows predictable patterns. Main idea, opinion, inference, detail, prediction. Well, once you recognize these patterns, your listening improves dramatically. CELPIP listening becomes predictable, not difficult. Well, if your goal is CLB 9 or CLB 10 in CELPIP listening, pattern recognition is the fastest way to improve. So to know more about common listening patterns, comment below. And also subscribe for more CELPIP strategies designed for 2026 candidates.